Ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kalaya chakmat bansa mi sniang khun kata lai tiliki kynthei bot wei shynrang shaki nongrep ni nongri jingri hakachala khanang ban kentiu ya kayo ka kot chuki kani ke jingsam sniang khun kadai lengba ka program ka wala kum ka rural backyard piggery scheme lengba ka national livestock mission ka Sorkar India harangkat ka jitelang ka Sorkar chela Hapo kani ka rural backyard piggery scheme phase 1 ka Sorkar jela kalamang khatsan point khat phra kulur tingka hakwa marsau tri ki khun sniang ansam sekin riu hajar tli ki longyeng u mintirang ba ka jelaw la pentep basa apsan kulur tingka an mang pisa nakbanta ka ni ka program haka phase 2 ya ka ni ka program lasdang ningkong na samanda block a is garo hills men ha ka shipho tarik nailar arjar par bat kani ka jingsam khun sniang kalaya manta sakaleng ki chaka ka jela.
Today's program of progress is another step towards ensuring that the livelihood and the earnings of the farmers at the grassroots level further go up. Meghalaya consumes about 18,000 metric tons of pork every year. If you multiply 18,000 metric tons with 350 rupees per kg, it comes up to 630 crores worth of pork we consume every year. That is the kind of market of pork that we have in our state. And sadly, more than 50% of the supply of pork comes from other states like Punjab, Haryana, Andhra, Telangana, Bihar, and hence more than 350 crores worth of purchase of pork and the money goes out of our state to other states. So we realized that if we support our own farmers and we start to produce the products in our state itself, then this money of 350 crores every year which is going to other states would then come to our farmers. And hence the piggery mission and hence the progress mission was conceptualized. And here we are today, very, very successfully, I should say, very, very successfully, transforming the lives of our farmers and implementing this progress mission in the best possible manner that we can. And I take this